Hello everyone, Aaron here and welcome back to Leetcode. Today we are doing the determine if string halves are alike problem. You are given a string S of even length. Split this string into two halves of equal lengths and let A be the first half and B be the second half. Two strings are alike if they have the same number of vowels. Note that S contains uppercase and lowercase letters. Return true if A and B are alike, otherwise return false. So here, for example, we take the BO and the OK as the two halves. We see this half has a single vowel and this half has a single vowel. They are balanced in their vowelness. In this textbook, it breaks into text and book. Text has an E in it, so that's one vowel, and book has two O's in it, so that's different, 1 versus 2. Okay, I don't think we need to make sure they have the same vowels. So here they both have an O, but I think that's just a coincidence. They don't need to both be O's. This could be beak, B-E-A-K. I think that would still count. So what I want to do here I want to have two counts. And basically we want to return vowel count A is the same as vowel count B. What we need to do is basically fill in these two counts. If they are the same, return true. If they're false, if they're different, return false. Well, that's all this line is going to do. We return the true or false value that is a direct result of this comparison. So then the question becomes, well, how do we fill this in? What we can do is for I letter in enumerate S, if, well, using a bit of pseudocode here, if is in A, hang on, well, if letter in, actually I'm trying to work out how I want to do this. Okay, so casing here is a bit of a pain. We have got lowercase vowels and uppercase vowels, and I don't really want to deal with that. So I'm just going to make it a lowercase string. There's a nice cheating answer for you. Because we don't actually care what the vowels are, and we don't care anything really about what the words are, we just care about how long it is and whether they are vowels, upper or lowercase. I'm just going to make the whole thing lower, so I don't need to worry about the case at all. If the letter is a vowel, if is in A, vowel count A gets incremented, else vowel count B gets incremented. Either way, we're incrementing one of the counts. We just need to know whether we're an A or not. The problem is I haven't specified this. And I haven't specified this because I don't know. I'm just going through the whole string. But we know that A is the first half and B is the second half. So I, the position we're currently in, tells us that. If I is less than len S over 2, so let's say S is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a 4-letter word. 4 divided by 2 is 2. So if it's 0 and 1, it's in the first half of the word. And if it's 2 or 3, it's in the second half of the word. So it's in A if it's a 0 or a 1, if I is less than the length of S divided by 2, or it's in B if it's after this. So this is our determiner of whether we're looking at A or B. Excellent. Let's use this example test case here. And I also want to use our beak example just to make sure I have fully understood the problem. looks good. So we were correct. E and A are both vowels, and they occur once in each half of the word, so it balances out. That's absolutely fine. Let's submit it. Fantastic. Worked like a charm. There's a lot of temptation here to count each vowel individually or to split the string into two halves. Those are perfectly valid instincts because they are what is exactly specified in the problem. We're told to look at the vowels, so we want to count the vowels. If we want to, we're told to split the string, so we want to split the string. But we don't need to do any of those things. We don't need to keep a track for every different vowel. We don't need to actually physically slice the string. We just need to know how far through we are walking through the string. It's a neat little problem, and particularly to do it, well, again, these timings are totally garbage, but I think something like this, there's a few optimizations we could make, is a nice, clean way of solving this problem, rather than counting everything that our gut instinct says we want to count, because we don't care. Anyway, that's going to be it from me today. This video is probably going to go up a little bit late. I've been dealing with some bugs at work. But do chime in down in the comments. How's it going? Remember, we're getting really close to the 100 subs, and I want to do something a bit different for that. So if you have any ideas at all, I would love to hear them, because right now, I've got nothing. I don't know what I want to do. So let me know in the comments. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, all of that good stuff, and I will see you next time. Bye.